Unit 4, Section 6. Use of Venn diagrams. Session objectives. By the end of this session, the student will be able to determine the validity of an argument using Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. The validity of an argument can be determined using Venn diagrams. Let's consider the example below. The statement P, all students are young people. Statement Q, Jane is a student. Illustrating this in a Venn diagram, the rectangle, which is the universal set, represents young people, Y. Now the circle level S represents students, and the dot in the circle labeled J, that is Jane. We continue in the next slide. From the Venn diagram in the previous slide, we can conclude that Jane is a young person. On the other hand, if you want to look at the statement P, that all students are young people, and Q, Jane is a young person, this can also be indicated in a Venn diagram, and that we have in the next slide. In our previous slide, we were given two statements. And these statements are P, all students are young people. What it means is that all students are a subset of young people, and hence the circle within the rectangle. The circle is labeled S. The second statement is Jane is a young person. If Jane is a young person, then Jane has two positions within the rectangle. Jane can be within the circle or outside the circle, but within the rectangle. Now, based on that, we can draw two conclusions. So let's look at the conclusions in the next slide. From the Venn diagram in the previous slide, we draw two conclusions. Conclusion 1, Jane is a student. If Jane is a student, it implies Jane is within the circle. Conclusion 2, Jane is not a student, meaning Jane is outside the circle labeled S, but within the rectangle. Now we can say conclusion 1 is valid only if Jane is located in the circle, marked J1. If Jane is within the circle, then it means Jane is a student. But if Jane is outside the circle, meaning Jane is not a student, but a young person. We want to use Venn diagrams to determine the validity of the statements we have below. P, all people born on Saturday are friendly. Statement Q, some males are born on Saturday. A, represent this statement on a Venn diagram. B, use your diagram to determine the validity of the underlisted statements. All males born on Saturday are friendly. All friendly males are born on Saturday. Grella was born on Saturday implies Grella is a male. Solution. The information is illustrated on the Venn diagram as the rectangle is labeled F, that is friendly people. Within the rectangle, we have the circle or the oval S, that is those born on Saturday. Within the oval S, we have another oval labeled M, that is the males that are born on Saturday. And within the males that are born on Saturday, we label M1 within. And within S, we have D that represents Rela. And outside the ovals, we have M2. Let's draw the conclusions in the next slide. From the Venn diagram, the following conclusions are drawn. 1. The statement that all males born on Saturday are friendly is valid. This is because everyone born on Saturday is subset of friendly people, or the oval Saturday is within the rectangle, which is for friendly people. So therefore, if you are born on Saturday, you are automatically friendly. Hence, the statement is valid. 2. The statement that all friendly males are born on Saturday is invalid. It is invalid because we have males that are not born on Saturday, but they are within the rectangle, meaning they are friendly, but they are not born on Saturday. So therefore, that statement that all friendly males are born on Saturday is invalid. And thirdly, the statement that Rela was born on Saturday implies Rela is a male is invalid. This is because Rela is within the oval or the circle S, but it's not part of the males, meaning it's not part of that set. So even though Rela was born on Saturday, Rela is not a man. So therefore, the statement is invalid.